All right, what's up, guys? Marc Augustine here, and in this video, we're going to talk about the number one thing that could push your e-commerce, your dropshipping, your online business success forward. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. It's really not what you think it is. But yeah, Sam, you want to introduce yourself really quickly?
Yeah. Hi, my name is Sammy. I've been dropshipping on eBay for the last 7 years and just happy to be here, man.
Yeah, my name is Marc Augustine. I've been dropshipping on eBay for over 10 years now. Happy to be here, guys. And this video is not to be taken lightly. So before we get into the video, I just want to share this video is brought to you by the Dropship Mastery class. So let me just share with you what it is. If you guys have been on the channel before, you would have seen it. If you're not part of the Mastery class, this is one of the things that will help you move forward. But this is not the answer. This is not what the video is about. But what the Dropship Mastery class is a full eBay dropshipping course brought to you by myself, Sammy, and Ecom Sniper. It teaches you everything you need to know to dropship on eBay. If you check a link in the description, if you use the code FIRST100, you get 50% off. You get it for $97, and you get a free month of the Ecom Sniper software for that $97 as well. So like the video, subscribe, check out the course. But yeah, so Sammy, we are talking about the number one thing that will help you push your dropshipping business forward. And what is that? Because we both agree on that.
Yeah, and I would say the number one thing, like we spoke about it, and really what it comes down to, in my opinion, is being a part of a community and like having a mentor. Like we've talked about it briefly at one time, but really like when you're part of a community, and this is like my personal experience, right? I've been doing this stuff for a long time, and I've been doing this stuff for a long time alone, right? There have been like problems that I've been trying to solve, like for example, like creating multiple accounts on eBay, and I didn't have like the research, I didn't have the data, I didn't have enough experiments done, and all of this was at the consequence of me doing things alone. So the moment I got to be a part of this community, right? What ended up happening was that, you know, not only my experience was I able to share with people, right? People started sharing their experience, their knowledge, their expertise. And we have guys from like so many different backgrounds, right? People who are like experts at finances, people are experts at IT, people are experts with different, suppliers, different techniques, etc. We have all of this like collective wisdom, like all channeled within one Telegram chat. And like being a part of a community like that, where you're able to go ahead and ask a question and like validate your ideas, and to really like in the end of the day, like the thoughts you have are not unique. I think this is one thing that we have to acknowledge, right? There's some things that we talk about that you can Google all day and you will not find the answers, right?
Right.
Only through like,
Go ahead.
go ahead. No, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
Right. I was just trying to say there are things out there, right? Like when you come to a certain point in a business, right? That there are things that when you Google, you're not gonna find the answer, right? It's not clear. There's not a YouTube video out there that's gonna solve your problem. But the reality is there are people that have the solution. Right. And what we have is like this community of problem solvers that all gathered together, and we're using our collective brain power to go ahead and solve problems together. And what I'm trying to tell you really is like eBay dropshipping is a myriad of problems. Right. Of course it is. And the reason why is because
I mean,
you're making money.
any other business, but guys, there are a number of groups and Facebook groups and so on online. I used to own one of the bigger groups, and then it got full with spam, a lot of other things. But these are some of, before we get into, you could check out the link in the description, but these are some of the groups that we have. So we have 2 Telegram groups. There's one for Grind Camp, which is a public group, and you could get a link to the description there. And then there's one for Ecom Sniper. And this is a very active group with all the Ecom Sniper members, where we talk about sales, we talk about problems. Everyone shares from their experiences. We have Bobby, which is an old school drop shipper back in the DSG days. And this is something that is, I don't think people put enough stress on how valuable it is, because there's so much. You can learn a lot from YouTube. You can learn a lot from us on YouTube. You can learn a lot from other YouTubers, but on a daily basis, when you have issues that come up right away, when you're running your own business, you don't have like this is like your own personal group of, I don't want to say assistants or your own customer service, but you can look at it like that, because each member adds its own value. And the questions you ask, everyone else can learn from it. And the questions asked in the group, everyone learns from it as well.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And one thing to add to that is, one thing we have to understand about eBay dropshipping, and we have to be brutally honest about this, right? You are technically making money purely on the knowledge that you have. This is an information business, right? And what that means is your competitive advantage. The only way to make this profitable is to keep up to date with the latest knowledge, the latest information about this business model, right? If you're using knowledge that is backdated 10 years ago, this is not the right business for you. If you're in a different business model where you're buying like a whole bunch of inventory or whatever, perhaps you don't need to update your knowledge tree like as time progresses to that extent. But to make money on eBay, like we're virtually using like nothing. Like we're not holding any inventory. You're not investing anything. You know what I'm saying, Mark?
Yeah.
This is literally making money without doing like holding any inventory. It's like, I've actually had an aunt of mine. She saw that I was making money online, and she said, "Okay, so if I get a computer, like, if I get 2 computers, am I gonna make as much?" And no, that's not how it works, right? Just because you have a computer doesn't mean you're able to make money, right? On eBay. It's about having the right knowledge, right? And to be a part of a community that has knowledge, that shares knowledge, that we're able to go ahead and like tackle problems together, like whatever problem that you may have, right? That is valuable. You need to be a part of something like that. It would have saved me years of my life. So this is what I have to say about having community.
Yeah, so the Facebook group is a Facebook group for my YouTube channel. There's some spam there, sorry.
This video is gonna get banned now.
Some of the challenges of managing a community, but you can see that we have 447 people in that group. In the Grindcam group, we have over 180, and the Ecom Sniper group, we have a little over 80 people. So these are all people in the business. Most of the people are dropshipping on a daily basis, sharing their sales and so on. So guys, if you want success in dropshipping, if you want success in eBay dropshipping, if you're having challenges making money with eBay dropshipping, join one of the communities. There's a link in the description. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, this was just a short video, just to encourage you guys to don't give up, to continue looking for those answers. And yeah, anything else?
Yeah, no, I think that's it for me. I think just one thing to mention would be like the Ecom Sniper one is for the members, right? Just to make sure that is transparent, because I like we can't have everybody join that one.
Right.
Do you get what I'm saying, Mark?
Yeah.
Because the thing is, like, we have to keep the conversations very high level, right? And that's why we have like different group chats for different purposes. So once you're ready to go ahead and join Ecom Sniper, you're more than welcome to do so. But be ready, because it is a journey.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment, check out the links in the description, and have a good one.
Have a good one.